Hey yo brethren, welcome back to a new video. Today is going to be a bit of a different one, a nice one, right? It's more or less going to be like a little unboxing and a part 2 kind of video that's been already made by my mate DeltaCypher. Now I'm not going to give you any context now, but sometimes I sit here and wonder, why the hell have I got so many of these laptops, right? Here's a MacBook right here. You can see it all is nice, but yeah, no, wait, hold on. We got another one. This is a laptop that was agreed part on the trade, right? So let's see. Oh shit, I can't do it. Oh damn it, the camera's too close, otherwise I would have done it. Yeah, let's see if we can unbox this. DeltaCypher, basically, he packaged this very well. I can feel the bubble wrap just sticking out, but I want to preserve this box because obviously this box I think is coming from a 2010 MacBook Pro, or at least the looks of it. And I want to preserve it because obviously I've got a 2010, so that would be nice to have, and I don't want to damage this box. So just a little bit of a story, right? Just for context, I got this as a trade because my mate Agent Schmuck, right, aka Abid, if you were wondering, he's been on the channel quite a few times now. He had a Samsung Galaxy S10, and I did that video, if you remember, about the back glass replacement. Yes, that one. He didn't want it no more because he wanted a new phone, so I helped him get a new phone, which was a S21, and then I basically bought it off him, right, and he really liked it. Oh no. There's a letter. There's an actual letter on here. I need to read this in a second. But yeah, Leo wanted this S10 because his iPhone 11 was taking a piss. So I was like, okay, he didn't need this laptop. So he was like, Beans, do you want it? And I was like, alright, safe. Right, as for the S10, do you want it? And I was like, alright, cool, no problem. So yeah, here we are. And if you saw Leo's video, me and Abid may have messed around with it a little, just a little bit, and Leo warned me he might have customized it just a little bit, right? But after what I did to his phone and what me and Abid did to his phone, yeah, I don't trust him, man. I need to read that letter as well. Oh, get closer. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, oh my days. This idiot. Oh my god. This idiot. Absolute idiot. We made this letter right here. Oh my god. This is jokes. Nice. Right. And this has his signature on it, yes, because basically, right, what we did was we made this absolute fat contract shit just to take the piss out of it, so you can kind of read the top of it here. We fully did this, right, just for the jokes, and he actually signed and gave it back. Oh man, oh, that keyboard's so nice. Ah, that keyboard's so nice. I've never, just so you know, I've never had a ThinkPad before. Also, this is a lot smaller than I thought. Insert that's what she said joke here. But genuinely, I thought this was going to be like a 15-inch laptop. He did tell me it was 12-inch. But it's funny because, you know, you kind of sit there and go like, what the hell, after seeing 12 inches in person. Right, these stupid yellow plugs. I hate them. Where's the plug socket? Here, right here on the left. I can see the green light. Why am I worried about what's actually going to be on this? Oh my days, this lays flat as well. Damn, that's awesome. So I could just show you guys like this. Perfect. Oh, I need to clean the screen though. Here we are. Oh no, that's not a good start. Leo, we need you, man. It's only been a few minutes. And guess what? This has Mac OS on it. Leo, you're a G. This is so awesome. Look at this. Oh my god. What's it doing? Oh, nice. Yes. Yes. What the fuck? Guess what the password is? This guy is such an idiot. Look. BOOBIES. Oh my days. Oh my days, this is so sick. No. I cannot have this. Wait. Right click. There we go. Yes, there we go. Nice. Oh, this is awesome. Does this have multi-touch support? No, I don't think it does. But what's this? Oh, that's EFI, so I'm not going to touch that. What am I meant to look at? Text edit? Right. So, I just spoke to Leo, and I asked him what I'm meant to look for, because I customized the fuck out of his phone, right? With dumb stuff on it. But he said that there was meant to be a lot more stuff on here, but because he had limited time, shut up, and because it was on a USB drive, he said that he couldn't do it in time, which is unfortunate, but obviously I'm not complaining because this is funny on its own, right? What we gotta do is, this is booted into Windows, Mac OS. Let's turn this off and let's actually get into Windows. So I'm gonna shut this down because I figured out how to actually get into it now. So what we gotta do is we gotta, there we are. We need to interrupt the setup, startup I mean, and then we need to go into the boot manager, and then we select the SSD because the Windows environment doesn't work like this, because obviously it's got a custom EFI and all of that. So in easy words, it's got a custom bootloader basically. So what we do is we do this. Wait. Yeah, come on. What I'm also going to do is I just started hitting random keys. The reason why is because I want to get into Windows. Oh, damn it. So I think this is a video that was very nicely done. And I got Abid, who was basically the main part in all of this. And I got to thank Leo for this. Thank you guys so much for this laptop. I'm definitely going to have fun with this. If worst comes to worst, I'm going to just flash it with Lenovo's recovery tool or something to get Windows loaded. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this, and finally I can experience a proper ThinkPad that's actually built nicely as well. So once again, thank you guys very much for this. I appreciate it. Hope you guys like the S21 and the S10. I'm gonna love this ThinkPad. And for you guys who are watching this video, thank you very much for watching this video. I know it's been a bit of a while, but yeah, so expect some new Lightning Quick Repairs episodes soon. Expect some new videos, especially about this. Don't ask about the case, it came with it. I'm definitely having fun with this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.